Hey, what's up? So I got a new camera, picked it up yesterday, and this is thanks to our patrons on Patreon. This is a GoPro Hero. This is not the original camera that I was hoping to get, but it's going to be a great addition to my vlogging setup. Yeah, because originally I was planning to save up money to get the Canon 80D or the Sony RX100 Mark VI. Those are way more expensive and bulkier than this guy. So I figured I would go ahead and get this GoPro. It's more versatile, and especially for some of the trips we're planning on taking this winter, this will be a better second camera than having like a big DSLR. But yeah, this thing is pretty sweet. We haven't really used it much. We're going to use it a little bit today because I'm going to be cleaning out the van. But I'll use it more in the next few days. Yeah, GoPro's pretty sweet. It's tiny. This is like the case for it. And it's waterproof on its own. But I've been considering getting a GoPro for a while.
Actually, even when we were in Spain,
oh yeah,
we were talking about GoPros there
like over
too.
A year.
Yeah.
Yeah, because ideally I would like to have 3 cameras for vlogging. But for now I have that one and this one. The Sony Alpha 5000.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and this GoPro Hero, which this just came out in April.
And this is not the top of the line model.
No,
but
yeah.
it has everything that we want.
Yeah, because I just needed to shoot in 1080p, and it has all the features that I would need as a secondary camera. Thanks to our patrons on Patreon for helping us get this camera. I'm just going to clean out the van because I've been wanting to do that for a while, and since we're moving back into the van in like a week, I just want to take everything out of the van, give it a good deep clean, so that way when we move back in next week, it'll be nice and sparkly and clean. Ready to go. So I'm gonna do the cleaning, Kuba's gonna do the filming. Oh, my shoes are on. We're trying to clean, not make it dirty. Do we need to wash this? I don't remember when we last washed it.
We washed it in Rijeka.
I guess we could.
Yeah, we can wash it. It's our floor towel.
Yeah, floor towel that we got in Thailand.
Mm.
And it's nice here because we can wash stuff and hang them out to air dry.
Yeah, and it's gonna be quick too.
Yeah, because really the main components are under the bed and then under here and then the cab.
Yeah.
Like random locks. See, I have those Velcro things.
Oh yeah.
If you would need those.
For the cables, yeah.
I don't think we need this anymore. Oh, there's my lens cap.
There we go.
The hair ties I keep, even though I don't have hair, to use for like food and stuff like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe I'll get a bag and put all the little stuff in.
Oh, okay. Or just take a bin. One of the bins that we have.
Oh yeah.
Empty it and just...
Okay, I'll go get one. Yeah, I guess this will be smart because then we can sort out the stuff.
And just keep what we want and...
Yeah, some of this I can just keep in here. Oh, there's a lot under there.
Uh-huh. It will be probably easier to take it out from the other side.
Other side?
I would think, yeah.
Okay. France Road Atlas. Like, I don't know if we should take it inside and get it all out, or...
That's what I would do. Okay. I would just pack everything that we can into, because there's lots of space in my bin, and just put whatever
take it inside?
we can, just take everything inside,
okay.
and then empty everything else, the car stuff or whatever.
And then clean it out.
And clean it out and then put it back in. Old mosquito net.
Just get rid of it. All this I'll keep out here. Car stuff. We have all of this,
Yeah, I know. We don't really need that.
What is this? Oh, shoes. This. Wow, there's a lot of dust under there. Shoes.
Skateboard.
You're funny. Why do we have an IKEA bag?
Because we wanted it for laundry, but we are using the other bag for laundry anyway.
Okay. This random thing. Oh, they're like hiking poles.
screws and stuff.
Should I start taking this inside now?
Do you want me to help you with anything, or do you want me to just film?
I would prefer if you just filmed.
Okay.
Because then I can cut what I don't want.
I mean, the car stuff you can just put next to here,
Okay.
somewhere next to the car, and leave it there. Like the screws and that stuff, you know. There are two things that I will have to do. Get the toolbox out because it's really heavy.
Oh, yeah.
And the other, our tools and stuff.
Yeah, so we decided we're just going to empty out the entire van, clean it out, and then we'll pack it up when we're actually leaving here in like a week. Because it'll be, to me, it's hard to think about packing it up when we still have a bunch of shit. I mean, we still have a bunch of stuff inside that we're using. So then we'll just pack it up nicely before we go.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. Oh, I should take the little stuff out of there.
Oh,
too.
okay.
Yeah, your Kindle.
My
doesn't
fork.
work.
Yeah, we have to recycle that. It's broken.
I don't know why I wanted to do this. Yeah, those people are totally watching us.
Yeah, I know.
Where are you putting it?
Just putting it out here.
Lots of door seal.
My fault, because I didn't notice that it's a different type of seal for the side door and for the back door.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that box already broke.
Yeah, cracked, yeah. There are things that I would get rid of from that box too.
Okay, we can just take it inside.
It's a starter motor.
Extra carpet. I don't know if we should save this.
I don't know.
Looking good already.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we might need this actually. So much shit in here. It'll be good to go through it all.
Yeah. Because I bet there are lots of things that we don't need.
Yeah, definitely.
Is it broken?
Yeah.
Oh. That's maybe the bottom one from like taking it up and down.
Oh, maybe.
It's okay. Gaffer tape will fix it.
I don't know if I need to clean these.
That can be recycled, I guess.
Yeah, it's just my pee bucket. Oh, we have foil.
What?
Oh, it's like a rug.
Yeah, it's a rug. I put it there because I put the guitar there.
Oh, okay, so I'll leave it.
So it's, yeah, I kind of...
The fridge we don't use. Let me see. Maybe I should clean that out a little bit.
You can just take it in and do it
Okay,
with
yeah.
water. Yeah.
Oops. This is a new addition to my bathing setup. Just a little like a bucket so I could lean over, splash some water on myself.
The van is not really dirty, it's just a little dusty.
Yeah, and like little crumbs and stuff. That's all.
It's like living in the van, you kind of have to do that stuff every day.
Yeah.
Maybe not taking everything out, but you have to clean every day.
Yeah, sweeping at least.
So many things. It's crazy that it all fits there.
Can barely reach. Yeah, and then we can just leave the van pretty empty until we're ready to go.
Yeah.
Sticks. Repairs.
Duct tape fixes everything.
I'll just put it like this for now.
And I'll just stick the toolbox and the starter motor back in there.
Okay.
Just in case, you know.
Yeah.
This is going to look really nice now. the windows.
Yeah, because like something, there's like a film on the windows.
Yeah, it's just dust.
Oh, your side door thing is all.
I know. It's nasty.
I'll let you handle that.
Okay. So many parking tickets.
Parking tickets. Cool. I guess that's good for now.
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll just put stuff back in, like the van stuff back inside.
Yeah, I mean the big box I don't have to put in. I just want to have tools with me
Okay.
when we are out.
Yeah, so we'll just go through all of our stuff another day, organize it, get rid of some things, downsize, and then we'll pack up the van like just before we leave here. I look forward to doing vlogs with the GoPro. Hopefully, yes, soon. I plan on filming some vlogs entirely with the GoPro to see what it looks like. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.